Hi there, welcome back. In this very short video, still on the analytics feature on the Bumpa web app, I'm going to be breaking down the product analytics page and everything that you can see on it and what it means. So the analytics is broken down into sales, transactions, products, customers, and campaigns. In the last two videos, I broke down the sales and the transaction bits of things. And in this video, we're just focusing on this product dashboard. Now, first of all, you can get here by clicking Analytics from the menu option on the left side of your screen and then switch into Products. So let's just say, for example, we want to go from here to here. So when you get here, you just come here and you select Products and you can see this dashboard. Now, the first thing you can see is total products you have and your total stock quantity. So your total products and your stock quantity, these are like all the variations and everything that you have, which is why there's a difference in the number. And then you can see your inventory value. So this is how much your inventory is worth. And then you can see this simple bar chart that helps you compare month on month the total products versus the number of products sold. And if you hover on it, you would see the number clearly. So this just helps you have like a quick snapshot of your sales performance, like how you're selling products month on month, the total number of products you have versus what you have sold. On the side here, you can see the product summary. So you can see your total products, your total collections, the total number of products you have out of stock, and the number of product variations that you have. Underneath it, you have your top 5 product collections. So you can see your collections and the number of products you've sold in each collection, which helps you to see, basically what's performing well. So here, obviously, we have the men's shirts, which is the best performing product collection. And then it goes like that. Then back here, you can see your top selling products. So you can see the products performing the best, the top 5. So you can see your paper bag. And if you click on it, you would see all of the information on that particular product. So from here, you can, for example, add or remove stock. You can edit product details. You can see the variations. You can delete variations, whatever you want to do. But back to our dashboard. So you can see the top selling products and then the least selling products. So these are products, for example, that are not really moving and may need to come up with, fast ways to sell them out so that it does not tie down your money in inventory. So basically, the product analytics dashboard allows you to see your product performance in general in just a quick glance and see information about your products, what you have, what you don't have, what is selling well, what is not selling well. And that's it for the product analytics dashboard. In the next video, I'll be breaking down the customers dashboard. See you.